Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and entering recovery. Power off, then hold the device's recovery key combo to reach the boot menu. This bypasses the corrupted Android runtime. Once in recovery, select Apply Update or Mount /System so you can interact with files. Connect to a PC with ADB and correct USB drivers installed, because ADB will let you push fixed images and read logs. Make sure battery is above half to avoid mid-process shutdowns. Now move to flashing and repair steps. You now flash a clean system image and repair partitions. If recovery supports sideload, run a DB sideload with the official or matching ROM, otherwise reboot to fastboot and use fastboot flash for boot, system, and vendor images. After flashing, wipe cache and Dalvik cache to remove incompatible compiled artifacts. This prevents boot loops. Check partition sizes and run FSCK where available to repair file systems. Finally, restore the stock bootloader or compatible custom recovery so startup proceeds normally. You finish by validating the boot and addressing remaining errors. Reboot and watch the first boot sequence. It may take several minutes while the system optimizes apps. If the device enters a boot loop, reflash the vendor image, or, as a last resort, perform a factory data reset to clear persistent corruption. If problems persist, capture ADB logcat during boot to identify failing services or missing drivers. That log points you to the exact partition or module to reflash, saving time over blind attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.